Playlists help you to organize your channel and help the viewer find the desired video, so you will get better viewing.
Hello everybody, how are you? I am Abu Saad. We will speak in this video about playlist. How can I use playlist in my channel about YouTube? The playlist is very important in your channel about YouTube. With playlist, you can help everybody visit your channel.
Playlists help you to organize your channel and help the viewer find the desired video, so you will get better viewing.
Okay everybody, if this once you visit my channel, please don't subscribe and like to this video. Okay, let's go to learn how can we make a playlist. Let's go. Okay, I will use YouTube. Okay, open your channel. This is a playlist. My videos here. Because everyone can share about my videos with a playlist. Okay, this is videos what I press like about it. Okay. This is folder to Tajweed Quran Kareem. Okay, this is example. Okay, now how can we make a playlist? Okay, it is home or videos, anyone. I will press here. Choose save a playlist. Save to playlist. Now we have a playlist what I make it before. Okay, how can I make a new playlist? I will press here new playlist. This is name a playlist Abu Saad. Perfectly. We must make it public. So everyone can see it. Okay, done. Great. Now we have a new playlist. We have a new playlist. Make a refresh. Yeah, Abu Saad. This is video. Okay, again. Press here. Save to playlist. We will choose Abu Saad. Yeah, done. Here, save to playlist Abu Saad. Okay, let's go to playlist. This folder playlist Abu Saad, 3 videos.